Hi, I'm Christella from Fayi, and in case you don't know, Fayi is Greek for food. Today I'm going to show you how to make some lollipops with some edible wrappers inside. Now this recipe is only available if you have your TM6. Otherwise, unfortunately, the other models don't go up to the high enough temperature to create that toffee. But you can always do the toffee part on the stove, and I just want to show you how to get those wafers into your lollipop. Now, while your toffee is preparing, you need to prepare your mold for your lollipops. So how I do that is I pop the lollipop stick into about halfway down the lollipop mold, and then I pop an edible wafer. Now you can use any shape, you can cut them out, you can just buy these online, and then you just pop them in the middle and have that ready to go, because when the toffee comes out, you need to be able to pour it straight away and very quickly, because it will go hard very quickly.
You can also put the wafers face down. It just means that you have less control of decorating the fronts, like you won't be able to put glitter or any lollies.